In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create a new account in Salesforce using the Dream Efficiency 5303 domain. This straightforward guide will help you navigate through the process with ease, so whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, stick around. First, let's start by navigating to the home page. Open your web browser and head over to the Home section in Salesforce. Once there, you're going to look for the main dashboard or navigation bar. You'll likely see various tabs like Home, Accounts, and Sales. Click on Sales. This action will take you to the Sales Overview page where you manage accounts and other sales-related activities. Next, find and click on Accounts. This button usually appears under the Sales section of your navigation bar. Once you're in the Accounts section, the next step is to create a new account, so go ahead and click on New. This will open up a new account creation form where we'll input all the necessary information. Start by typing in your account name. This is a required field, so make sure that the name entered here identifies the account correctly. After entering the account name, select the appropriate account type from the drop-down menu. This is important for categorizing your account correctly within Salesforce. Then, choose the specific type, if applicable, to further narrow down the classification of this account. If needed, you can provide a description for the account in the description field. This field is optional, but can be useful for adding any additional notes about the account that may be beneficial later. Next, you'll need to select a parent account if this new account is part of a larger organization. Use the search function to quickly find and choose the parent account from your existing records. Now it's time to add contact information. Enter the phone number associated with this account. It's crucial that this information is correct, as it could be used for future communication. For billing purposes, you'll need to select a billing country from the drop-down list. After selecting the country, enter the billing street, city, and then select the correct state or province from the provided options. Don't forget to enter the billing zip or postal code as well. Following similar steps, input the shipping address information by selecting the appropriate shipping country from the drop-down and then entering the shipping street and city. After that, choose the shipping state or province. Lastly, include the shipping postal code. After verifying that all information is entered correctly, the last step is to click on Save. This action will store all the provided details and ensure that your new account is successfully created in Salesforce. Remember, thoroughness is key to maintaining accurate records, so double-check your entries before hitting the Save button. There you have it, a quick and easy way to add a new account in Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.